Welcome to Let Training, and thank you for your interest in our Certificate 4 in Leadership and Management course. Our Certificate 4 in Leadership and Management course is a nationally recognised qualification, which is in line with the Australian Qualification Framework standards. This course is a great choice for anyone that needs leadership and management skills for their current position, or looking to change careers, for example, to become a team leader. This course is also suited to students that want to obtain a new leadership and management certificate to potentially get a promotion. If you're considering starting a new career or obtaining a promotion, the Certificate 4 in Leadership and Management provides career opportunities that include the following. Leadership and management skills are great skills to have. It can help you progress in almost any industry. This course provides skills that are nationally recognised and can help you understand what it means to become a leader in your workplace. According to research evaluated by PayScale on the PayScale website, the average wage in Australia for a team leader with 1 to 4 years experience is $66,000. You're looking at an average rise to $84,000 with 5 to 9 years of experience. Our trainer support is flexible and adaptable to our students. Our assessment response times are within 5 business days, and your feedback will be provided by a certified trainer. The resources we provide are available online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We like to keep our pricing competitive at Let Training. We have plenty of payment plan options available, including monthly, fortnightly, and weekly. The course enrolment is 12 months, however, it takes an average of 8 to 10 months to complete. Thanks for watching our Certificate 4 in Leadership and Management course introduction video. You can enrol via the Certificate 4 in Leadership and Management page on the Let Training website. For further information or course material, you can contact us directly at 02 9633 3929.